Are you tired of trying skincare products that just don't work? Let's step away from the chemicals and dive into the magic of natural remedies. Today, we're uncovering DIY skincare solutions that truly transform your skin, using ingredients you probably already have at home. In a world filled with endless skincare products, the beauty of nature offers simplicity, purity, and undeniable results. From calming acne to hydrating dry skin, these remedies are not only effective, but also gentle on your skin and your wallet. Let's talk acne, the nemesis of clear skin. Combine 1 teaspoon of raw honey with a pinch of turmeric. Honey fights bacteria, while turmeric reduces inflammation. Apply this golden mask for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water, and watch your skin thank you. Dry, flaky skin? Say no more. Mix equal parts finely ground oatmeal and plain yogurt. This mask not only hydrates but gently exfoliates, leaving your skin soft and refreshed. Struggling with breakouts? Dilute apple cider vinegar with water and use it as a toner. It balances pH, clears bacteria, and leaves your skin feeling fresh and revitalized. Got a sunburn? Aloe vera to the rescue. Its cooling and healing properties are like a spa day for your skin. For a radiant glow, spritz on this green tea and lemon toner. Antioxidants meet natural exfoliation for skin that looks bright and vibrant. Get baby soft skin with this nourishing scrub. Coconut oil hydrates and sugar buffs away dead skin cells. Your skin will feel as good as it looks. Don't forget the classics. Rose water and witch hazel hydrate your skin throughout the day. Tea tree oil tackles stubborn acne, and chamomile tea calms irritation. With these remedies, you'll be saying goodbye to skin troubles for good. Your journey to healthier, happier skin starts here. Try these DIY remedies and let nature's magic reveal your radiant glow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare secrets. And tell us in the comments, which remedy are you excited to try? Thank you for watching.